So in Surah 96, Alaq 96, he commands, اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Read with the name of your Lord who created man out of cloth that clings. Read, and your Lord is most honorable. He who taught with the pen, he taught man what he knew not. Now, normally these verses are understood that it was given to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in history. Normally. We don't go into that debate, but I know for sure, because it states, look, Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read in the name of your Lord who created. What? Khalaqal insana min alaq. He created man out of cloth that clings. Are you not a man? Who is here sitting who is not a man? Come on. Everybody is a man. You understand? Insan. So he is commanding every man of all times through Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And it was a command that read, Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read in the name of your Lord who created. Khalaqal insana min alaq. He created man from that clings, or alaq, that clots. Then he again said, Iqra, read, wa rabbukal akram. And your Lord is most honorable. Alladhi allama bil qalam. He taught man, again insan. Alladhi allama bil qalam. He taught man with the pen. Allama al insana. Again insan, man. He taught man which he knew not. So if you note in these 5 verses, there are 2 times is read. And there are 2 times is insan, man. And when I say read, it implies that read means with understanding. If you look up at the dictionary and you look at the meaning of the word iqra or read, it is understood with understanding. It doesn't mean iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq khalaqal insana min al. I not understand anything. Iqra wa rabbukal akram alladhi allama bil qalam allama al insana ma lam ya'lam. Not like this. I don't understand anything. It means with understanding when Allah said command was read. This command is given to man through Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is read in the name of your Lord. The word is bismi. Look, iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read with the name of your Lord who created. With the name, whose name? With the name of your Lord. You have to read the Quran. First you have to seek Allah's protection. فَإِذَا قَرَأَتَ الْقُرْآنِ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. When you read the Quran, you have to seek Allah's protection from the shaitan, the stone. Now here it says, اقرأ بِاسْمِ رَبِّكَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ. Read with the name of your Lord who created. So I say, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Here the second aspect comes. Because he says, Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read with the name of your Lord who created. So I say, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. So these two are linked. Because you have to first seek Allah's protection from the shaitan, the stone. The second you have to say with the name of Allah, not with the other people's name. Not the other people's name. You can understand Quran. Otherwise you will do shirk. You will associate Allah with somebody else. With the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful means I am with Allah. With the name of Allah. He is most gracious. He is most merciful. He will teach the Quran. He will give me clarification. It is He who will teach me. You have to have trust in Him.